High heels make ladies look hot and sexy, but 80% of women don't wear them because of sex. So today I am going to reveal to you the secret most ladies in heels keep and why they keep these secrets. Welcome to Christy Tips. According to BBC Three scientist Elaine van der Velden conducted a social experiment survey aiming to engage more men on a busy street. She was half the time in heels and half the time in flats, and she discovered that men responded more quickly when she wore high heels than when she wore flat. In just 10 minutes of wearing high heels, she received 7 responses, a notable increase compared to the 2 responses she got while wearing flats. When a lady wears high heels, her body posture changes. This change in her body sends out a signal that most guys see as her being attractive, confident, and even sexy. But to her, it goes beyond that. What ladies want that makes them wear high heels is quite different from what you think. I remember some years ago when I was facing a challenging period in my life. I had lost my job and my financial condition made it difficult to keep up with my bills. I felt completely down then. One day, I came across a job opportunity that seemed promising. Despite the setbacks, I decided to give it a try. Knowing the importance of making a strong impression, I chose to wear high heels for that job interview. I can't remember the type of heels I wore that day. But as I walked into the interview room, I could feel the transformative power of those heels and the positive change in the atmosphere. The interviewers seemed captivated not just by my qualifications, but also by the way my posture was. The high heels, as superficial as they might sound, played a role in creating that lasting impression. To my surprise, I received the job shortly after the interview. And a few months later, one of my interviewers started asking me out on a date. To be honest, he generously spent money on me even before I had a chance to say yes to him. Please, I want an honest answer. As a guy, have you ever spent money on a woman because you found her attractive in high heels? And as a lady, have you ever had a guy spend money on you because he found you attractive in high heels? What I am trying to say here is that before a lady wears high heels, there's a secret reason behind it. Do you know how a woman feels when no one compliments her, especially after putting effort into makeup, wearing good clothes, and being in high heels? I will tell you from my experience, it feels horrible. Just like when you do whatever it takes to close a sale in your office, and at the end of the day, your boss never appreciates your efforts. Most times, ladies in high heels want someone to admire her. If possible, ask her out on a date, but in some cases, some ladies wear heels to show that they are beautiful, rich, and professional, especially in an organization. To sum things up, ladies dress more sexy and attractive when they are looking for a mate partner. Please share this video if you know you like it, and subscribe for more content like this.